Hey family, Tanya here. Just want to share some decent finds at Kroger. They were good deals by 2023 standards. Okay, so we have start looking out if want to do your Thanksgiving on a budget. Their turkeys are this one was 99 cents per pound, so it was an 11-pound turkey, so it came up to $11. And the deal of the day are these free pumpkins. See if your Kroger's giving away free pumpkins. They had a bin, had a big sign on there, said free. And I confirmed it with the guy in produce. He said, yeah, take as many as you want. So here at Tanya's Tasteful Table, we think about how we can have a seasonal tablescape on the cheap. And if it's real, it's so much better. I use so much artificial stuff just, because of, filming purposes, but I got some real pumpkins and I love white pumpkins. And so this was the only one with the stem. If it doesn't have a stem on it, I don't like it. And I love pumpkins with these long stems like that. So me and this other girl were picking through them and we found the best ones. All right, so we got that. Cabbage was 89 cents per pound. Sometimes in Kroger, my Kroger is being redecorated, so it's hard to find stuff. So, if you're in a pinch, I always keep this Cajun style mirepoix, onions, celery, green bell peppers, for Thanksgiving or anything. If I'm making chili, don't want to chop up any onions, or they don't look good, so I keep that. The cream of chicken soup, 79 cents. Cut green beans are 89 cents a piece, and the 4 of these was $2.99. 2 packs of cream cheese was $3.49. All the cheeses, like 8-ounce cheeses, bar cheeses, or shredded, was $1.79. And the butter, a pound of butter is $2.49. And this creamy peanut butter, and this is way down at the bottom, so they don't want you to see these are $1. So I got 2. The picante sauce was $1.79 each. Sliced jalapenos, $1.79 each. This the low sodium bacon was $4.59. They have packages of pre-cooked bacon for $3. No, I think it might even been $2. I don't really like pre-cooked bacon, but they have that. Also checked, they had some ham steaks, and they were gone in my store. They might still be in your store, so they have ham steaks for $3. And so I got some wings. You know how high wings were? Now they got these wings for 11. I got these reduced wings for $11.85 for how many pounds? 16 pounds. We got this chicken breast for $9.33. It was these were 4 pounds, almost 5 pounds. It was $2.99 a pound originally. This was originally $14.38. This pack here was $18. It's now $11. This pack here was $16.95 and is now $10.86. Pie shells, you get 2 pie shells for $2.49. So you get 2 for $5. And these Big K drinks, $1. You don't even have to get like 10. And then I drink decaf coffee. That's $4.99. You can get the pods for $4.99. You get more if you do it like this. The pod, you only get 12 pods. You can get 85 cups, 8-ounce cups, I think. It just says 85 cups just from this. So that's the savings. Okay, so did I do I use unbleached flour. So I got all-purpose unbleached flour, and it was $2.49. And over here, beans. I do a lot. I like beans a lot. So all of these beans were like 79 cents each. And these were like 30, I'm not sure, 30-something cents. When did baking soda go up? You used to be able to get baking soda for like 33 cents. Now it's like $1 or something. So I got that. So just wanted to share with you, you know, we can live tastefully for less. We can live on a budget. You can do Thanksgiving on a budget. And so I kind of, when I do those budget meals, I save up my money. You know, any savings that goes into like the grocery budget. So I was going to Sam's Club and to stock up. But I'm like, no, I really, you know, I gotta, you know, I don't need to shop in bulk like that anymore. So you can, you know, they have like tomorrow, starting November 1st, 18 count eggs at Kroger will be $1.49, maybe $1.29 or 49. I forgot, I'm sorry. And then if you go to Lidl's boxes of like dressing, it will be 50 cents each. And then they have, and Kroger also has canned, if you get like for six, like cream of chicken soup, they have a deal. So just log in to their website. If you have the app, you know, check the app. And so the deals will be hitting Wednesday, November 1st. And there's a lot of deals going on at Sam's Club as well, but it's kind of a ways from me, Sam's Club now. So when I was a caterer, I was in there 3 or 4 times a week. And so now I don't need to live like that. So, you know, if you're on a budget, you know, just shop smartly. You know, if you are dealing with food insecurity, I do recommend you contact your church or your local food bank. There's no shame in that, getting some help. And I do have videos in my playlist where I do budget-friendly Thanksgiving. I did like a $10 Thanksgiving dinner and a $20 Thanksgiving. And if I can get around to it, I'll do that. But I did want to tell you that you can get a turkey for $11. And you get all the sides. You get your macaroni and cheese. You get your box. Or you just make your own cornbread. And just, you know, use one of these instead of like getting onion, celery, and pepper. That'll cut into it. You can make your own pie crust easily with flour, butter, and ice cold water. And I might do a video on that. I'm not sure. I'm not going to say what I might do. If I can get around to it, I'll do that. And, you know, look out for, you know, free stuff. Free pumpkins. And I've never made a pumpkin pie. So these are like good to eat pumpkins. I'm gonna bust them open like after Thanksgiving and see what I can do with them. Okay, guys, I appreciate you stopping by. There's nothing wrong with these reduced items. This one, they wanted it out by like November 2nd, and that's 4 or 5 days away. They're still good. If they're not good, I can take them back. That's one thing about the grocery stores. You can take stuff back, unlike like Dollar Tree or something like that. You can just replace it at Dollar Tree. So we got some, you know, I prefer poultry. So I eat a lot of chicken. I'm not a big turkey fan, but at a decent price, I went on and got it. Okay, guys, thank you so much. And I appreciate your support. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. Join the Tastemakers tribe and hit that bell notification so you'll be notified the next time I upload any new content. Bye, Mom.